Good morning. Mama wakwa basonko mbra Badwam Ahosepe jumezido wonosomfo da fancy do ni maba tino yenhwen samno na yemobodo nkro na nkor na motin de wiki or a good week is a making paluta or any other Sunday on your chain good news no but so I react na and was a day mbabaka no so na mezaka ho na zotin de yana mo frama no okocho BEC nyame na Adom was ekogu celebrations awakodo okrom nyasam kakra ba brofuma akasena dinyina kama na yenya na nte de question okwer as I'm still culture and creative arts to be precise no question okwer na kimpaluta na oho no wo question no entodo mama oni question number 4C na kimpaluta na odaho was a kimpaluta anizina kasa Thomas J Reku or ya Ghana numtuni I'll combine traditional rhythm storytelling and modern hip hop beats what new mum na the popular song oze asedano or carry deep messages bomozna na mahenu 2 bomozn na mahenu 2 inti no okodo honum dam no hey 4 marks o nti so wo ba nyimnyum no to a we lose the marks no 4 marks what congratulations to Kimpaluta enyum na enyum no papa wonder see na you know no be so apono no luto so no no na be chechem the to identify two important issues no addressed in Kimpaluta's song no pokuni chema social inequality in Ghanaian society ono oteno wanyum na hemfa mato nyum na maya amuhu but the importance of gratitude and appreciation for life's blessing no ono ena muhunda no wonyum no mu inti no say wo ba twa obi a bisa no monto nyum no mrahwe de buhunda honum no 4 marks no so tum na otwa ya na Kimpaluta wa respond to the musemsemi masemi to shema o say onyima de so ya mpaza che onya question ni bi nhwe yo brother o say onyima de so ya mpaza but watete the questioner or BEC mu no na nizin na nyum wom sisi ano ya za or pop champagne already so no Kimpaluta enyen na response enyen also or pop na adeno apeki good year zamano na metira no obrika the omia no ho no yenda ma hen minwo no foko na or new song foko no wa nka woje mutum mam but Kimpaluta richirema or pop champagne aseda enyum no epo BEC mu nsesa wa bofra ba enyim to a sorry ate no na chedo so na mo from na o suanyum no so me nyi wo ba ni free na e be wiaza nyom wiaza wa aseda na we po BEC mu no nti no ma yenche do na yenko he nyim congrats nko ma Kimpaluta na mi free ho no ma yembese nko sister Fela Makafui is a Ghanaian actress or some so entrepreneur kesepa. Now one of the big names and what I was a friend of Sewa is a character wo Yolo or Yolo is series from a series was a wide educational to what the church from a maybe Nazi now Yolo no na Fela Makafui ka ho wo yi na edi ma am catch wo yi na edi na dotin de na Yolo mu no Fela Makafui no o play character sewa no na oyera bia na oton pa no wo hood no mu na boys no because of nyaga dus ni no na drogba hu na ya no hu hwe onye ye as your granting interview with Pauls na ochem there that was not the character crowd kwade nkope na nkope Emily character no sikenyi ne ba no character no na ono na opent nka what man say one nko yonji sister mo nyu anda ho Mo wonu under ho na yenyumu sewa na my character sewa no wakwachi na Emily no well I will hwe sa fela makafu be ya fela makafu ya sewa character ni ntira ma yenhwe yenhwe sewa kakra na embra.
It's all right.
Why can't call my woman?
It's all right.
You two is all right.
It's trapping you right now.
It's trapping who? Like go be you for here.
No, wait. Me is girlfriends. Me, I doesn't be your girlfriends. Me, I doesn't be your odor. I doesn't be your anything. Those days, fine. Nowadays, nothing. Telephone gives me stupidities. Kerry is now a good boy. You doesn't know if it's I'm Rob. I doesn't know. Kerry, please, trust me.
I will.
Fela Makafui, Sewa's character is make you babies. So for like Sewa, okay? Sewa na wama I big. The Sewa character and the besin the bid don't have for Sewa because that character no a big character pa. Sometimes na the working in them painful no be more what's no. Na you. Near my family you be them painful no. Some painful what the phone pa. I bo fu iroko tree. Nya de bu. Ma panyin no da fom no za ohu nti no nyame na mno kwano do wa ma aye big with sewa so mu da mara na ye ntwe do eyi nkomo won mo ko de shesa o mo rola na me mpe no nye we na me pe na me na mo ton kube na me na mo sia insu me nye obi a refuse to roll because of that. I would say Fela Makafu na meka da mo boa kan say
was the major break.
So your character, which was Sewa, not speaking very good English, people thought that's how you were, like Wuntibrofo.
I know.
Naturally.
I know.
So was it a character you could easily fit into?
There's this funny story behind this whole Sewa character.
Oh, okay.
Well, when I went for the audition, I acted as Emily.
Oh, okay.
Emily that I auditioned for.
Right.
So that's what I wanted to play.
Ah.
So when I got a call and they told me, oh, you're selected, but you're going to play the role of Sewa. I'm like, no, I'm Sewa. I've been selling bread in Africa for my mother. I'll come and sell
The movie. Yes.
my village people to see me. No, I'm doing it. So there was a lot of back and forth.
Wompe kwer enye de se Nyankopon ombo ewenwa ehwa e bompe de Nyankopon ombo ewenwa na za oba ma hate no ehu ati nka wa wa miss the chance but yana nyame ase they wo Fela Makafu excellent actress orugbo ejuma papa big ups to her na montua monsamodo mochiado na moroko Hajia for real ho sister mona o town na original mbre papa menyo kase kopemu o tamale wo chirema wenya dan foforo ho tronyi fancy gadam wo fie ho no manyasam kakra ba fie ho ye fe papa menyo konkohwe sister mona so na yemra.
Finally, we are here. Shouting. Shouting.
Belly Madon, big fat kaki mega. Hey!
I tell you something, I beg you up. You may want to
turn around.
Okay. Hajia for real. All the time. Na you are papa. Na dano so ye fe. I come the best ha na ma chedo na makobenyim ze ehwe mama aka no wala kan ai wala kan wufie ho mara minya ho menka no mo chedo na makoseli from Paul Manso ho na Shelly from Paul Manso movie producer wa Ghana hade movies pa the Ghana movies ha papa bia otapo bia ma mini twen pocho many argue oya adankasa no stories the casting the video like the pictures ade krumpo me pewo no ho ye one lines no story most of boy show no we can is no we can eh bro for years am crabo e bi crash the movie zusuan most mo ka bro for sheriff poma so born home was papa bright wada ka by now so no bonse mama me no because mama no only ejuma papa we make sure that movie industry no na nkuti jan na ndo repia kwana enyim orpia na watching mo there most ma eya yema Tyler Perry attention wo krom hade no Tyler Perry me come na say our drop movie for no straw ma obi a le kan wa some straw chema da ma attention na yezema Tyler Perry na yenyim no sanka ye check akra za mana kwa kama papa because Tyler Perry film yo choi bia na so lu chrowi I will say Shelley from Pomansona, Yembra. Aye.
Recently, I saw something that was going around. I think Tyler Perry released a film called Straw.
Exactly.
And there's been so much talk about it on our social media pages and stuff. And I said, I don't remember getting this kind of attention when I have released a film. Do you understand? And so it's not balancing. Why are we talking about Tyler Perry's movie when, we could easily have that same attention come to a Shelley Frimpong movie. Do you understand? We have put films there that critically examine a lot of things. Recently, we released a film called Chasing Lullaby on Mother's Day.
Right.
It's a film that we shot a few years ago, and then we released it on our YouTube page. And you should see the film. It's a beautiful film that talks about mothers. In all forms, and and I didn't see the media pick it up and make a whole song and dance about it like they are doing with Tyler Perry movie. He doesn't care about us. We have to care about our own. We have to push our own. Do you get? And that's what Nigeria is doing and doing effectively. They push their own, they promote their own, they support their own.
This is Hits.
And I didn't see the media pick it up and make a whole song and dance about it like they are doing with Tyler Perry movie. He doesn't care about us. We have to care about our own. We have to push our own. Do you get? And that's what Nigeria is doing and doing effectively. They push their own, they promote their own, they support their own.
This is Hits.
Ain't Shelley from Pomaso Enyen wa address no concerns. Ha, mommy, but kede na your support will power. Na your support will papa. Mami ni movie bi enyi ho no monko nkurase. Me ke pa de bebe na me shapa mo kwhwa Adam Sapo. Na your support will papa but all the nan say no ehun den simu de eye wo kakra me ehun da babakze but my promotion no nko atasa visit here na de most man na first no na way promotion na nyu asesa kakra ti no fo unjimu bi na for who hihye mi na movie no kra na pede promoter o se dey sell na de ko Nigeria actors ni nyina wa dan dancers because anya na dem on fa te bia na dem na ele yenti na bia na sisi na attention akofom no but Shelley from Poma so a nice movie so ogudu richa ai ti upon one chow won ko YouTube na won ko hwe no movies wo honom emfa ma hen me de besi hade ba me na hono mo so mo ma me zan so pebro no nyinara asen ami shon papa Richmond thank you so much na mo so do na maako ma men kan sure da kwasinsi enda asem yidika no o de frama saman na ozere ba o chema kwana wo hono ma onye na ade o the traffic so some ojinam wo honom so no ze beje mo mezama kwasinsi na macron